How do you create a product line and business model entirely focused on serving the needs of the green industry? How do you build trusting business relationships over 35 years and keep those relationships healthy, growing, and mutually beneficial? How do you become a leader in your area of service and not just maintain your position, but continue to add value? You do it with unwavering product quality, continuing investments in people and technology, and an authentic and company-wide commitment to being easy to do business with. And you do it here at Regency Wire in Sikeston, Missouri.
We sell wire for irrigation systems on golf courses all across the United States and overseas, and residential and commercial wire and cable for irrigation systems.
We've positioned ourselves for the future. By our new facility, it's very obvious to our local community that this is a company that's on the move and is a place that people want to be part of, quite frankly.
It's good to know that in small town America that there still are family-owned companies that are focused on employees and focused on customers.
We're not just selling wire, we have to sell a relationship with the customer. We have to sell service after the sale.
We have to make ourselves different from other people in the way we treat them and how we do business. We just make it easy to do business with and figure out what we can change to make it easier to do business with us.
We control every process from beginning to end, from bare copper cable. We're able to monitor and make sure that the product's being built right. We're putting millions of dollars in investment into new machinery and equipment, tooling. America means quality. We build great products here. And the backbone of any company is, what do you do for me after the sale? And so we support that with American people.
This is a company that's easy to do business with, and as simple as that sounds, it is not. And so from what happens in the manufacturing plant to what happens at the warehouse to what happens in the office, the sales department, we truly feel we are easy to do business with, but we don't take that for granted. We work very hard for that reputation.
American-made products with product testing from start to finish for quality you can trust. A 40-year tradition of designing products around the needs of the irrigation and green industry. Continuing investments for expanding capabilities, Middle America manufacturing and distribution facilities, and responsive service from a group of dedicated industry professionals. This is Regency Wire. We make it here, we make it easy.